Ladies and gentlemen, let me first welcome you to the seat of power of our dear state. You're not meeting in my private house. You're meeting where the power is seated. So this meeting, or this audience that we're having this evening, is happening live in the right place. And thank you for accepting first to host this event in Rivers State. I heard you clearly when you mentioned some challenges that were confronted in the course of. The truth about it is, if you're not determined to have this program here, maybe one thing or the other would have pressured you and you would have succumbed to changing the venue. So on behalf of the government and the very, very audacious youth of Rivers State, we say thank you. What you have come to do in Rivers State is to tell the world that Rivers State is safe. Rivers State is moving. Rivers State is friendly. And above all, Rivers State is ready anytime to receive and admit people that are coming to make positive impact in the state. You are our son. I've known you many years ago. I'm also happy that today, the most, would I use the word, divided, fractionized National Youth Council are now working as one. It means there is something that you have, and you have gone there to use it to put our youth together. I tell you, success is not about how large your head is or the level of degrees that are attached to your name for you to be a successful person or to be successful in what you do. But your ability to manage and to tolerate and to make sacrifice. You have not brought this youth body together with any other thing. It's your accepting to make sacrifice for the interest of the council. And I'm happy that everywhere today we are feeling the effect of the unity that the National Youth Council is enjoying today. As a government, when we got the letter notifying us of the 60th anniversary and also coming from our own son, we needed to do what we could do to make sure that the program succeeds. So what we did, we didn't do personally. It's our responsibility as a government. It's our duty that we owe you as our son to support you. So we're happy that today, that program was successful. Continue to be a good ambassador. Very, very important. It is from little things that you get big things. If you have done it well today, who knows, tomorrow, there might be another responsibility that we might give to you here. But, you know, we give God all the glory. And we're happy that at this time, we're celebrating success of the National Youth Council. My advice will be this. You said something about fight and no fight. No. You don't need to worry about it. Frustration, challenges, it makes you strong. And it makes you think faster. So when the trouble will come, as you're thinking that there will be trouble, I will borrow you my diary. It will help you navigate across the challenge, eh? So don't worry. But again, by the time you go through the diary, I tell you, you'll come out stronger than you are today. So don't worry about any challenge. Just do what you know that is right. When you're doing the right thing, you don't need to be worried. Eh? When you're doing something you know that 25 years, 30 years ago, 30 years coming, that you can defend it, you don't need to be worried. You understand? It's only when you're doing the wrong thing, that is when you're scared. Something you cannot defend maybe 1 hour after that and 2 days after. Then when you're doing the right thing, you don't need to be scared. You're doing the right thing. You're bringing the youth together. You're united. Look, if there's any problem that we have in this country today, is the issue of youth. If we're able to bring them together, what you're doing today. You can imagine if this youth council is so divided. There will be trouble in this country. But because you're united, even when you're facing a difficult situation, even when the country is having any challenge that would warrant people to protest, when you come together and say, look, for so reason, we should allow it this way. It is a strong voice that is also contributing to the unity of this country. So you don't need to be scared. You're doing the right thing, but stand at the path of truth. Eh? So we will do something about it. Eh? So we're going to provide mobility for the president and for him and his council to perform effectively. Let me finally, on behalf of my family and the good people of River State, accept this award. Beacon of Hope. Abi? Yes. It means a lot. It's something that I've accepted because when you see me, it gives you hope. Because I'm now your role model. Yes. I assure you, I will not let you people down. I will continue to do those things that will give the youth hope in this country. I will be among the group that will continue to champion the youth is the future of Nigeria. I've shown it in my administration. A lot of youths are involved. If the opportunity comes to give more chances to them, we will do it. We will also ensure that we preach it to every other part of this country, because we need you. We need you. Some of you are so blessed. Your brains are computer, both in the good way and the bad way. It's the truth now. So it's just to harness it positively. The truth.